Open the ISS application in your device. To start Schedule 4, go to the Schedules section under Schedule 4 and click on Start Schedule. Please select the year and season for which the survey is being carried out. Click Start Schedule. Below is a list of villages and urban wards selected for detailed survey. Schedule 4 is carried out each month. Click here to select the particular month in the season. Click on Proceed. Next to the village in which Schedule 4 is to be canvassed, the village or urban ward list page will be displayed. Please note the villages or urban wards for which the schedule is marked as complete. The Proceed button will be replaced by Done. Now click on 4 next to the household or enterprise. This will open the Schedule 4. This is Block 1, General Information about the village or urban ward. Basic details like household or enterprise owner name, contact number, period of survey, state name, district name, block name, village name or urban ward name, sector, census code, subsample number will be displayed here. You don't need to enter any information in this block. After verifying the details, click on Next to switch to block 2. Block 2 is identification details, production, purchase and disposal of eggs in last 7 days. Enter main occupation of the head of household. For households, provide the occupation of owner and size of family. Enter number of adults and children. Now the user needs to provide production, purchase and disposal details for each group of the ducks, fowls found in the household or enterprise. Select an animal group set by clicking on the desired animal and animal group. After selection of animal group, enter the number of layers and number of eggs. Click Add Purchase Record to enter details of the purchased eggs if any procurement has been carried out. This will display Purchase Details fields. Provide these fields and click Add Record. A pop-up is displayed showing that the data has been saved. This will update the value displayed against the total number of eggs purchased, followed by a card displaying the record. Please note, for procured eggs at different rates, purchase record should be entered for each rate of purchase. For this, the user can click Add Purchase Record to add a new purchase record. Please note, to edit the added records, click on Update. This will allow the enumerator to change the provided details. Click Update. Similarly, to delete a record, click Delete. Enter number of eggs consumed at home. Enter number of eggs kept for hatching. Number of eggs damaged. Number of layers used for meat. If any sale of eggs has been done, click on Add Sold Record. This will display some details. This section is similar to the Purchase Record section. Enter number of eggs sold and rate of sale. rate per dozen. Click Add Record. Data is added successfully. This will update the value displayed against the total number of eggs sold, followed by a card displaying the record. These can also be updated and deleted in a similar manner as that for purchase records. At last, a card is displayed showing the balance of eggs. After providing entries for an animal group set, the user needs to click Save. This will save the records for the particular animal group set. The user can continue to this form to edit the current animal group set or add more animal group set or view summary of the provided entries. After providing entries for an animal group set, the user needs to click Save. This will save the records for a particular animal group. The user can continue to this form to edit the current animal group set or add more animal group set. Click View Summary to view the summary of the provided entries. In the summary, the details for each animal group are displayed. Click on each animal group to view their details. Verify the details and click Finish. This will display an information pop-up asking to confirm if the summary has been reviewed. Click Confirm to save the entries or Back to go back and review the summary. This will display the Schedule 4 household listing. Please note, all these steps are to be repeated for each household. After all the households available for this schedule are canvassed, click on Mark Schedule Complete. An informational pop-up will display the number of selected surveyed households and will ask for a confirmation for marking it as complete. Click Mark Status. Please note the villages or urban wards for which the schedule is marked as complete. The Proceed button will be replaced by Done. Similarly, the same steps will be followed in order to fill the data for remaining villages and urban wards. This is the end of Schedule 4.